Ultra-processed food is everywhere. It is in lunchboxes, vending machines, convenience stores, fitness aisles, children's snacks, diet foods, and late-night scrolling ads. The problem is not that food was touched by a machine. The problem is that some foods are designed to be easy to overeat. Ask the simple question: why can you open a bag of chips and suddenly eat more than planned? Why does a packaged snack disappear faster than a bowl of beans? The answer is not simply weakness. The food is built to deliver speed, flavor, texture, and reward. Processing is not automatically bad. Washing, freezing, cooking, fermenting, canning, and packaging can make food safer, cheaper, and easier to store. Frozen vegetables are processed. Yogurt is processed. Canned beans are processed. The real question is what processing does to the food. Ultra-processed foods are usually industrial formulations. They often contain refined ingredients, added sugars, oils, starches, salt, flavorings, emulsifiers, colors, and other additives. They are usually made to be convenient, shelf-stable, strongly flavored, and ready to eat. Think of ultra-processed food like a formula. Sweetness can be adjusted. Salt can be adjusted. Fat can be adjusted. Crunch can be adjusted. Color can be adjusted. The goal is not only nourishment. The goal is repeat purchase. Food companies study what makes people want another bite. The combination of sugar, salt, fat, flavor, and texture can create a powerful reward signal. This does not mean every packaged food is poison. It means some foods are engineered to be difficult to stop eating. Many ultra-processed foods are easy to eat quickly. Soft texture, low chewing demand, and high energy density can make calories arrive before fullness catches up. Your stomach and brain need time to communicate. Fast food delivery can outrun the signal. Fullness is not instant. The gut sends signals to the brain as food stretches the stomach, nutrients arrive, and hormones shift. If a food is eaten quickly and delivers a lot of energy in a small package, the fullness message may arrive late. Energy density means calories packed into a certain amount of food. A small snack can contain many calories. A large plate of high-fiber foods may contain fewer. This is why volume, water, protein, and fiber can change how satisfying a meal feels. Many highly processed foods lose natural structure. Fiber may be reduced. Water may be reduced. Chewing may be reduced. The food becomes easier to eat quickly. The body is not only responding to calories, it is responding to the package that carries them. Protein is useful, but the word protein can become a marketing halo. A protein cookie is still a cookie. A protein bar can still be a highly processed snack. Do not judge the entire food by one nutrient printed in big letters. A health halo makes a product feel healthier than it may be. Low fat does not automatically mean good. Gluten-free does not automatically mean nutritious. Keto does not automatically mean balanced. Natural does not automatically mean useful. The full label matters. Drinks can deliver energy quickly without the same fullness as chewing food. Soda is obvious, but sweet coffees, energy drinks, juice drinks, sports drinks, and flavored milks can also add sugars and calories. Liquid can be easy to underestimate. The body experiences frequency. A small sweet drink here, a bar there, a handful of chips later, a dessert drink at night. Each item may look small alone. The pattern can become large because the modern food environment never stops offering another bite. For most of history, food required preparation. Modern food often arrives ready to open, heat, or order. Convenience is powerful. It saves time. But it can also remove the natural pause that once existed between desire and eating. Ultra-processed food is not only food. It is advertising, packaging, color, placement, discounting, smell, convenience, and habit. Your appetite does not live in a vacuum. It lives inside a system designed to trigger it. Children learn food patterns early. Bright packages, cartoon characters, sweet flavors, and snack routines shape expectations. A child does not need a lecture on willpower. A child needs an environment that does not constantly train them to expect dessert-level flavors all day. Food reward is real biology. The brain learns which foods deliver energy and pleasure. Ultra-processed foods can be designed to deliver intense reward repeatedly. The point is not shame. The point is understanding why just stop is often too simplistic. Cravings are not proof that you are weak. They are signals shaped by biology, sleep, stress, habits, environment, and food design. If a product was engineered to be hard to resist, your response is not surprising. Change the environment before blaming the person. Short sleep can make cravings stronger and decisions harder. When you are tired, fast energy becomes more tempting. The body asks for help, and the food environment offers cookies, chips, caffeine, and sugar. Sleep is part of nutrition. Stress can increase the desire for a quick reward. Crunchy, salty, sweet, and fatty foods can feel calming in the moment. That does not mean the person lacks discipline. It means food is being used as a nervous system tool. The better question is, what stress needs to be addressed? Do not pretend everyone has unlimited time and money. Ultra-processed foods are often cheap, convenient, and available. Food advice that ignores cost, work schedules, cooking access, and culture becomes unrealistic. Better habits must be practical, not perfect. Read the ingredient list. You do not need to memorize every additive. Start with simple clues. How much sugar? How much sodium? How much saturated fat? How much fiber? Is this mostly food or mostly a reconstructive formula? The front of the package is advertising. The back is information. Check serving size first. Then look at added sugar, sodium, saturated fat, fiber, and protein. A package can look small while containing more servings than you expected. Serving size is one of the easiest traps. A drink may be 2 servings. A snack bag may be 3. A cookie pack may be labeled in a way that makes the number look smaller. If you eat the whole package is the real dose. Do not flatten everything into one category. Some ultra-processed foods are worse than others. Some may provide useful nutrients or convenience. The goal is not panic. The goal is to notice which products dominate your routine and what they replace. The biggest question may be, what is this replacing? If packaged snacks replace beans, oats, fruit, vegetables, eggs, yogurt, fish, nuts, or home meals, the whole diet changes. Nutrition is not only what you add, it is what disappears. Make the better choice easier. Keep useful food visible. Put trigger foods out of immediate reach. Do not buy giant packs of foods you struggle to stop eating. Willpower improves when the environment stops testing it every hour. Before eating a highly rewarding snack, ask, did I eat a real meal? Protein, fiber, water, and whole foods can reduce the urgency of cravings. A snack eaten after a satisfying meal behaves differently from a snack used to replace the meal. Do not redesign your whole diet overnight. Replace one repeated item. Swap a daily soda. Change one snack. Add fruit to breakfast. Add beans to lunch. Small repeated upgrades beat one perfect week, followed by collapse. You do not need gourmet cooking. Build one anchor meal you can repeat. Oats and yogurt. Eggs and vegetables. Beans and rice. Soup and whole grain bread. Chicken and frozen vegetables. A reliable meal weakens the power of last-minute food decisions. Food is not only fuel. It is culture, comfort, celebration, and pleasure. The goal is not to remove joy. The goal is to prevent engineered food from controlling the entire pattern. Occasional pleasure is different from constant manipulation. Think pattern, not purity. If most of your routine supports your body, occasional ultra-processed foods matter less. Perfection often fails because it turns eating into a moral test. A sustainable pattern can include flexibility. Pay attention to repeated loss of control around certain foods. Eating far past fullness, hiding food, feeling distress, or feeling unable to stop may deserve support. This is not a character flaw. It is a signal that the pattern needs care. Seek professional help when eating feels chaotic, shameful, compulsive, or connected to binge eating, restriction, diabetes, heart disease, gut disease, or mental health concerns. A video can explain the environment. It cannot replace individualized care. Try a 7-day experiment. Read one label daily. Replace one repeated ultra-processed snack. Build one anchor meal. Drink water with meals. Sleep better. Walk after eating. Do not aim for perfect. Aim for fewer food traps. Here is a Feynman test. Can you explain ultra-processed food in one sentence? Try this. Ultra-processed food is often engineered for convenience, shelf life, intense reward, and easy overeating. So the solution is changing the pattern, not blaming the person. Stop asking only, is this food bad? Ask better questions. How often do I eat it? How much do I eat? What does it replace? Does it help me feel satisfied? Do I feel in control around it? The pattern tells the truth. Rebuild the environment. Plan one meal. Keep better snacks visible. Reduce constant cues. Buy smaller portions of trigger foods. Read labels. Sleep enough. Walk. Add fiber and protein. Make the food system work for you instead of against you. Ultra-processed food is not just food. It is food engineering. But you are not helpless. Understand the design. Reduce the traps. Build repeatable meals. Keep pleasure without losing control. The goal is not fear. The goal is freedom from a system built to make you take one more bite.